Hi, I'm Matt Rethage, and I'll be your campus coordinator here at CSB Monroeville. Throughout the course of this next video series, you're going to learn how to use your field camera, as well as your studio cameras. My assistant Robbie here is going to show you just how to do that.
Let's start and see what's in the bag, shall we? You have the camera battery, the camera battery charger, the battery charger cables, a microphone, a remote, and the XLR cable for the microphone. Let's start by opening the bag, shall we? After you have the bag opened, take out the camera first and set it on a sturdy surface. Now you're ready to put in the battery. Place the battery in the battery slot with the arrow side down as shown. Once the battery is properly in, you will hear a clicking sound. Now you're ready to set up the tripod. First, spread all 3 legs of the tripod out on the floor so you have a level tripod. Unscrew the bottom screws so you get a desired height on how high you want your tripod. Make sure the screws are tight. You do not want the tripod to fall over. The next step is getting the camera onto the tripod. You must take the screw and put it through the threaded hole on the camera. Make sure it is tight. You do not want the camera falling off the tripod at any time in your video shoot. Once you have completed this step, you will now be ready to properly set up your shot. Look through the eye viewer like Robbie is and make sure you get the proper angle that you want. You will also need to white balance your camera before any type of shooting. Just press the white balance button on the camera while holding a white piece of paper in front of the lens. This makes sure you get all the true value of the colors. Next, you're going to learn how to set up the mic, so you will need the XLR cable and the microphone. First, take the male end of the XLR cable and plug it into the female end, channel 1, into the camera. Now take the female end of the XLR cable and plug it into the male end of the microphone. You will also hear a click when that's done. Now open up the view screen to view your levels of your microphone in channel 1. If you need to turn it up, use the audio leveler. Make sure that the mic is turned to rear in channel 1. The next step is going to show you how to zoom in and out. This is used for all types of shots, as close, tight, or wide. Refer to your notes for more explanation on these shots. Now you're going to learn how to pan the camera with the tripod on it. First, loosen the wing nut. Now you're ready to pan the camera left or right, but make sure you tighten the wing nut when you are finished. Now you're ready to tilt the camera. Loosen the tilt wing nut on the tripod, and now you can tilt your camera up or down. But again, remember when finished to tighten the wing nut. Now you're ready to learn the pedestal effect. Just loosen the pedestal wing nut, and you can now pedestal down or pedestal up. Now that you know the basics of setting up your camera, you are now ready for a video shoot.
I'm Robbie Provo for WCSB 9 News.